Welcome to the world of remote working. Let's dive into 30 quick tips to boost your productivity while working from home. 1. Establish a routine. 2. Create a dedicated workspace. 3. Avoid multitasking. 4. Take regular breaks. 5. Keep a positive attitude. 6. Set specific goals. 7. Use productivity apps. 8. Limit social media. 9. Stay connected with colleagues. 10. Eat healthy snacks. 11. Exercise regularly. 12. Keep regular office hours. 13. Dress for success. 14. Prioritize tasks. 15. Avoid household chores during work hours. 16. Use noise-canceling headphones. 17. Communicate effectively. 18. Keep learning. 19. Use ergonomic furniture. 20. Keep hydrated. 21. Set boundaries with housemates. 22. Use a planner. 23. Avoid work burnout. 24. Practice mindfulness. 25. Stay updated with industry news. 26. Create a to-do list. 27. Use a time tracker. 28. Take a walk during breaks. 29. Keep your workspace clean. And 30. Reward yourself for achievements. Remember, remote working is a marathon, not a sprint. Pace yourself and find what works best for you. Until next time, stay productive.